Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you create clickable links in YouTube Shorts? It's going to be simple, very simple, so bear with me. Now, on the Shorts sector, let's add a couple of videos. Make sure it reaches the 60-second mark. So, that's it. Click on select. It's just a tutorial video that I did. So, as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff here. Processing. Just wait for it to load a little bit here, and it's going to be easy. We're going to be putting the link on the text, so just wait for it to load and just click on the check icon here on the side. Once you're done, this is already the video playing, so click on the text, and here you could put whatever you want, like the link. So you can basically insert the link here, and once you upload the video, like this is a video playing, okay, you could place the link whenever or wherever you want. Let's say you put it here, and once a video plays, people are going to be able to click on it as long as it's a link that you've pasted. It's a basically valuable link that you've played. So yeah, that's just basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.